Hello friends, welcome to my garden, Thamara's garden. Today you will be seeing some of the plants that are low maintenance, permanent and also does not need regular watering. So if you're a person who is very busy and doesn't have time to spend in your garden but still love doing gardening, these are the top plants that you must have in your garden as low maintenance and permanent plants and even no need of watering every day. So let's see the list of plants. Beautiful plant that doesn't need daily watering is the ZZ plant. ZZ plant is a wonderful plant because this is a beautiful house plant. This is one of the Feng Shui plants also. According to Feng Shui, this is called the good luck plant as well. So this is another plant which you can easily propagate with a single leaf or a stem cutting. And this plant also low maintenance and permanent. No need of regular watering. This is beautiful jade plant which you don't need to water on regular basis, so you can see how healthily they are growing. Expose them to sunlight. So this is a sun loving plant and also a easy gardener's plant, very easy to grow, low maintenance and permanent. And this is a plant that you don't have to water on regular basis, very easy to look after. This is Pedilanthus and also known as the devil's backbone. This plant also low maintenance and no need of regular watering. Once you keep it as a house plant or as an indoor plant, this plant will tolerate up to 3 days or 4 days maximum without watering. Even up to a week you can go depending on the weather conditions of your country. This is snake plant which you don't have to water on regular basis. Very easy to grow plant, low maintenance and permanent. Good for beginners and also as an indoor plant because this is an air purifier. This is another variety of Sansevieria snake plant and I water this plant once a week. So this is another beginner gardener's plant, low maintenance and permanent. Aloe vera, one of the medicinal plants that is known for good in hair care and also skin care. And this aloe gel is very famous among gardeners because we use this as a rooting hormone. So this is one of the must-have plants in your garden and belong to the succulent family. Do not need any watering every day. So this is a very easy to grow plant and also one of the low maintenance and beginner gardeners plant.